Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to film a what is it called, work in progress. So we're working from home. It was going to be a couple of months, 2 months, maybe three, and it seems that because of everything here, I'm in the state of Florida, right? Because of everything that's going on, it might be extended until the end of the year, maybe a little bit longer depending on how things go. And because of that, I have my little area set up, but it wasn't really set up, I guess, for the ergonomically correct, where it's comfortable, the chair situation. Normally, I wouldn't spend so much time sitting down at home anyway. I have a elevated desk, so it's kind of like standing desk almost. So it's not really made for 8 hours of standing, in a day, right? It was really quick. Come, you do what you need to, and then I move on. So because of that, I've had to make a couple of arrangements, replace my chair. I bought one of those under the desk keyboard holders to see how that works. But I wanted to share with you what it currently looks like and what it's hopefully going to look like afterwards in the process of cleaning it up, basically. And maybe it'll help some of you that have to rearrange some items, some spaces to work from home. So here we go. Alrighty, so right now this here, this is not the entrance. This is from my scrap area to where I have my desk area here. I recently got this area here. My husband, actually, his desk was here before. We made some arrangements. So he's kind of like in the living area now, and then he gave me this whole section here for me. So I have a little scrap room. I have my little office space, right? So this doubles as both a work area as well as my, where I keep my personal laptop and stuff like that. This is now, this is, as you can see, it's elevated off with the desk legs from IKEA. And then down there, I have my Mac, and then I have my work laptop docked underneath. So it keeps it up and leaves, a lot of space up here. I have my monitors. Right now it's a mess because I have to pull everything out. I have to take everything out so that my husband can come in and put in. So he got me this nifty little thing here. Let me see if I can get by now. This nifty little thing here where I can just click on, bear with me, the input here, and then it just moves both monitors, and then I'll be at, well, they're not on right now, but this input here would be for work, and then I can just press it back, and then it switches both monitors for me. So it makes it easier, when you're doing things. There you go, backwards now. But anyway, that's what that's for. So because of that, and because we have I got a tray, not tray, but a keyboard holder that's supposed to clamp on here, and then it's supposed to be down here. Might be easier for me. He needs to take everything out to rewire everything and then put everything back in a more comfortable space. So yep, so there I've been using my little Scrap-A-Ma Bob as my little coffee holder. Well, not coffee, but mug holder. I just took off the little loop that it has to hold the garbage can because I don't really need that, and it would have been in the way. It wouldn't have fit properly there. So I just have it to hold my water, make sure I drink my water. And that's what that space looks like now. So I'll bring you along as I go cleaning it out on the steps. This is the new chair. These come up and down. The one that I had before, I didn't put them on because like I said, I wasn't sitting on it like 8 hours or more a day. So the other one just, it's old and it broke basically. So we replaced it. It has these that come up and down. I wish they moved up, down, in and out, but they don't. Can't be too picky. And then it has the little thing so you can put your feet. And then down there, I have that little thing that I got from Amazon, and it's versatile because it's got three ways to use it, right? So you can use it where it's just completely flat, and I guess that would work if you had a regular desk. Then it has that length, and then you can slip it on the side, and then it's like a medium basically. So it comes in very handy for me. I can stretch out my legs, I can put them up, so on and so forth. All right guys, so that's it. I'll check in with you after I've completely taken everything off of my desk and where we're at with that. All right, so here we are, finished. There's the chair all set up. I had to take off, I had these really cool, I don't know what they're called, but anyway, they make it so that they glide, but it elevates it too much, so I had to remove them and put them back to the original. There's the under desk keyboard. Still trying to work my way on getting comfortable, but so far so good. Down there are the laptops, and then the new and improved wireless. And I say wireless is because you can't really see all the wires that are back there, which I'll show you in just a minute. But I've got my 2 monitors, my webcam there for when we have our team meetings. Here I have work phone. This is where my phone normally sits. iPad when I'm watching videos or whatever. And then back there, all nice and snug, is my switch. And then I have another one of those stands to hold it with the wire so that it can charge. So all nice and neat. Now here, the whole purpose of this was to be able to fit this nicely, and then that nice big tower back there, which gives me a whole bunch of what are they called, USB ports. And then on the side, oh, there's my Yeti. And then see how all the wires are nicely tucked in and picked up and out of the way. That's not me, by the way. That's all hubby. Did it all nicely. And then it gives me extra outlets here, and then it has this I got from Amazon, and it has another side back here that has the same amount of spaces, and then this. So it's pretty cool, very convenient. This is for the monitors. I think I showed you this previously, where you just grab the control and you switch them between the outputs that you want. And it's great because it switches both monitors at the same time, and that way I don't have to fiddle with the button in the back to switch the, I want to say input, I guess that's what it's called. Then this here, this actually, if I wanted to turn off both monitors, I just click it off. I don't have to, it can stay on, or I can if I want to. And then it has a USB-C, and then it has 2 USB ports. I know I have so many USB ports now, but that just happens to be the way it fell. Card there, which you don't need to see. What else? Oh, and then here I also have another two ports if I need to. And then at the bottom, get ready. That's what it looks like at the bottom as well. See how everything is all nice and neat. And that thing is pretty cool. I don't know, is that from Amazon, where the USB-C thing is? That's from Amazon as well. So it kind of like hooks to the desk, and it also has ports on the sides. So it's actually really convenient. Anyway, that's what the bottom looks. And there's my footstool. Ooh, slowly so you guys don't get all dizzy. So yeah, I mean, and then obviously, so I have my work keyboard here, and then my iPad can, my personal laptop stuff can sit up here when I need to. If not, I just put it at the bottom on top of the laptop there. But yes, ladies and gents, this is what it looks like. Very neat. I do try being a keyword, keeping it neat like that. And there you have it. Thank you so much for stopping to see my work from home setup.